डियर स्टूडेंट, आज की क्लास में हम बात करेंगे बायोटेक्नोलॉजी प्रिंसिपल एंड प्रोसेस की। यहाँ पे कुछ मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन दिए गए हैं और इसके बारे में हम लोग डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे। So it is a very helpful for the academic and NEET also. Let's discuss about the first question is identification of DNA fragment is done by. So identification of DNA fragment is done by Southern blotting. Here the DNA fingerprinting is also depends or we can say that it is approved by the Southern blotting technique. So इसलिए आपको ये ध्यान रखना है। The next question is proper vector of cloning in animal cell is a PBR322. This is a very important question. The cloning of the vector is known as in an animal cell is the bacteria is PBR322. This is a plasmid vector, we can say that. Next question is genetic engineering is start with the discovery of with enzyme that is a restriction endonuclease enzyme. Dear student, restriction endonuclease enzyme is a molecular seizure cut the DNA from the polydromic sequence, that means the 5' to 3' and 3' to 5'. That means these are the polydromic sequences of the DNA, and the molecular seizure or restriction endonuclease are the three types basic, that is restriction endonuclease type 1st, type 2nd and type 3rd. So basically the restriction endonuclease enzyme molecular seizure is a type 2nd. Okay, next question is we can say that the restriction endonuclease are used in the genetic engineering to be a form of recombinant DNA molecules. So restriction endonuclease का जो basically use होता है वो recombinant DNA के लिए होता है. These are we can say that the combination of plasmid vector and foreign DNA, we can say that, and always remember this is a plasmid vector, the example of plasmid vector. Next question, which enzyme is used to combine the DNA fragment? So basically two DNAs are combined by DNA ligase. Okay, remember this point. Whenever the two DNA is attached from the enzyme is known as the DNA ligase, and separation is a restriction endonuclease type 2nd or a molecular seizure. इस बात को याद रखेंगे. Here the next question is, which enzyme is known to cuts at a specific position with the DNA? So this is again the repeat question. That is endonuclease. Restriction endonuclease type 2nd is a molecular seizure, and restriction endonuclease type 1st and type 2nd 3rd, these are cut the specific position of DNA. Type 1st is cut the DNA on the side of 3' times type 2nd is cut the DNA on the side of 3' to 5' or 5' to 3', and type 3rd is cut the DNA on only the side of 3'. Okay, so remember this point, ये आपको याद रखने होंगे. Genetic engineering is used in, so genetic engineering is a part of biotechnology. Okay, is used in agriculture or in medicine field, vaccine production and drug formation. So many, and we can say that all of these. So thank you and keep share.